Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and this pink envelope means one thing, that it's time for Ipsy. So I'm going to open this up and pull out my Ipsy bag. So for those of you that may not be familiar with Ipsy, it is a subscription makeup or beauty monthly subscription, and it is just really fun because every month you get a makeup case and 5 samples, and they are of all different kinds of things. You can go online and kind of customize what you like. This is a really pretty green, and it's not plastic, but I don't know what it is, but it's really nice. It's very nice. Has a gold zipper and the little tag that says Ipsy. Inside is pink. I always like it when the inside is a different color. And this says, this month use your 5 glam bag picks to celebrate and highlight the things you love or are learning to love about you. And it tells you what you've gotten. So I will read those as I open. This says, Feel Bright Squalane Facial Oil, Rosehip and Avocado Oil blend for all skin types. So let's see what this says. Feel Bright Daily. This brand believes that skincare has the potential to change the world, and you're not wrong, and they're not wrong. This non-greasy formula boasts a blend of squalane, rosehip, and avocado oil to help brighten, firm, plump up, and nourish your skin, and vitamin E to help fight acne and blemishes. Tip: after cleansing, put a dime-sized amount into your skin. Feeling extra dry? Follow with your favorite moisturizer. So, that's kind of nice. I'm sure it's... Oh, no, it's not. I thought it was going to be closed. So it is oil-based. Oh, but it does feel nice and soft. That might be actually really nice. I like the way it feels on my skin. Okay, next I have an all-day lip cream. This says Adesse, A-D-E-S-S-E, so I don't know if I'm saying that right. All Day Lip Cream in Beverly Boulevard. So let's see what color this is. This creamy, moisturizing lippy glides on to coat your lips in full coverage, high impact color that lasts all day. The deep rose shade works on all skin tones and looks fabulous at work, on the town, or wherever your day might take you. It's hard to open. Tip: swipe onto your lips straight from the bullet. Blot, then repeat for more dramatic color. So I guess this is called a bullet. I never knew that. And the color is, yeah, it's all right. I'm putting it on myself. And it even says to blot, then repeat for a more dramatic color. So I'm going to see if it smears or anything after a little minute. This is mineral body lotion from Ahava, Dead Sea Water. Let's see what this says. This luxe lightweight body lotion is infused with nutrient-rich Dead Sea water, aloe vera, and witch hazel to help nourish itchy, dry skin. In a rush, it soaks in super fast so you can get dressed as soon as possible without feeling greasy or sticky. Massage all over your body, focusing on any areas that need a little TLC, like your knees and elbows. I know this is a sample size, but I don't like how wide this is with the little, I don't know, it's hard to... Oh, but it does feel nice. Oh, it smells all right. It doesn't smell great to me. That's interesting. I'm not sure what that smell is. Let's see what the ingredients are. Oh, good Lord. I'm never going to be able to read all of that. I don't know what this scent is. It smells kind of spicy almost. It's not a bad smell. It's just not my favorite smell. And then next I have Big T's Plumping Mascara by Buxom. And this says, self-confidence is key at Buxom Cosmetics. They believe in going big, being bold, and feeling sexy. Love a dramatic lash look? This is the mascara for you. The wax-infused formula plus cone-shaped brush work together to give your lashes major volume and fullness. Apply this mascara onto your lashes from root to tip, wiggling your brush as you go. Add another coat to layer on the drama. So that's what it looks like. Interesting. Kind of even an interesting like bottle, or I don't know. Like it's not even a screw. It's more of a, you just pull it and push it. But interesting. It looks pretty. Big T's. I will use it. I'm not even gonna throw that away. And the last thing is Suva Beauty eyeshadow. Apply, easy to apply, opaque, water resistant. Honestly, what more could you want in an eyeshadow? This cream powder hybrid formula delivers all of that and then some. Plus this plum foil finish shade is so fun for your for all your end of summer looks. Dip your ring finger or a damp shadow brush into the shadow, then press eyeshadow onto your lid. My ring finger, it says. Huh, it's a pretty color. I might even use that. Let's see how the lipstick is doing. It comes off pretty easily, so I don't know how it's going to be an all-day thing. There's no way. But yeah, this is pretty. I'm even going to throw this box away. And I usually give some of my stuff away, but I am keeping all of this, even the lipstick, even if I don't, I don't know. I don't know if I'll like it or not. We'll see. But that's what I got in my Ipsy box this month. I really love it. I think it was a good box. I love lotions. I can't go wrong with lotions. So this is fabulous. This is surprisingly nice. I like how, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I can tell that I put it on this hand and not on this hand. This hand looks more moisturized. Neither one of my hands feel greasy at all. This mascara I'm kind of excited to try, and I'm actually even excited to try this eyeshadow. I think it looks pretty. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. And check out Ipsy if you're interested. It's $10 a month, and I don't know, I think it's fun. You get a little present every month. You always get a bag, which is amazing. I use these bags for all sorts of things, including putting them in my purse to help organize things. And makeup bags, I mean, just everything. You can put your pens in here. You know, I'm a crafter, so I can put markers and stuff. It's fabulous. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.